Hey, it's Clarence Barnes along with Tim McCarthy from HushMat, and today we're talking about this, the Hoodliner Kit. This is truly amazing. Now, I'll tell you why. You say Hoodliner Kit, okay, what's that? Well, you know, for those of you, or us I should say, who built crazy cars, we spent a lot of money on the paint, you want to take care of that paint. Now, with a few modifications, even under OEM specs, the heat generated in the engine compartment is a lot more than you'd want to submit to your paint. And after doing a great paint job, you want to take care of that. And this is just the solution. Now, when I first saw this, I said, oh, that's HushMat. But this is a total another product, correct?
It's HushMat on steroids.
Yeah, I would say so, for sure. I mean, you still have the press and play, but this comes in a big sheet.
It comes in a real durable construction, real thick butyl rubber extrusion, our same butyl rubber adhesive qualities of our Ultra brand, but it also has a real heavy aluminum foil layer. It gives it durability for under the hood applications. You put it as you said, under the hood to protect custom painted heat. You also put it on the firewall. It'll protect that heat from coming through into the interior in addition to the HushMat Ultra. Guys are also putting it under the tunnel. Right. So taking it over their transmission to keep heat out of the interior of the car, above exhaust. So many different applications on the exterior of the vehicle or the engine side of the vehicle.
This is a no-brainer because what I like about it is it's durable. You put it in, it looks like it grew there. You can paint it if you want. I mean, frankly, I kind of like the way it looks. You put it right in there and it sticks in. After a minute and a half, it's in there for life.
It is.
And it's going to protect your paint from the heat. It's going to keep, you know, when you put in the twin turbos, where you're thinking about heat, it's going to be a big issue. Keep down the heat. Keep it, protect your paint, protect your car with a Hoodliner Kit from HushMat. Now, the cool thing is it's all made in USA, so if you contact somebody at HushMat.com, chances are the owner, the guy, will be on the phone. That's Tim. Yeah, made in USA. Can't do better than that. If you're looking for something great, a treat for your car, go to HushMat.com.